Hello everybody, it is me, Bret, and welcome back to another bell video, I guess. And take a look at our surroundings. We are not in Skyline High School, and it's Friday right now. Yeah, we don't have any school on Friday. I just want to go over the bells in this area. So, without further ado, we have this thing up here. Nice bell. All the bells in this school are completely functional. So that's bell number 1. Bell number 2 is on the other side. Except it's right over here. Wait, hold up 1 second. Let me just move forward a bit. Except it's right here. There's another bell. There's another 2 bells over here. So that's bell number 2. Bell number 3. It's like way over there. Like, hold up. If you can see it, it's like way over there. And there's one all the way over there. If you can see that round thing right there, that's a bell. It's nice and gray. However, at this time, normally this would be an after-school thing. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get these bells ringing. But there will be a time that I will be able to do so. Just right now, you can just take a look at the bells right now. I don't know when they're going off. It's 6:41 right now. Either 6:45 or 6:50 bells are going off. But while we're here, let's take a look at the alarms. This is a Gentex device. I don't know the real code number. I just know it's Gentex. I'd always thought this was a Commander 3 or something, just without the strobe. On the inside, the insides have, if you can see it, Simplex True Alerts. They're all Simplex True Alerts. And they do have mechanical bells inside. But I won't be showing these off. This is going to be an outside only bell video. Alright, instant teleportation. Anyway, we got another one of these. And these doors are closed. That leads all the way back here. Hold up. Let me get a view of it. All these trees in the way. Up there you can see a bell and a 4030. That of course doesn't work because they cut the wire. But they also have a bell. They have a wall-mounted bell, a regular wall-mounted bell all the way back there. So that's good to look at. So I'm gonna keep going. I'll be checking out that bell over there. We'll get into that in a second. Over here, we have another one of these bells, except this one has no bell cage whatsoever. Also, another one of the alarms. Right now, it is currently 6:45, so therefore, bells don't ring at 6:45, but at 6:50 is a possibility. One of these bells. Not bells, alarms. Another one of this. For a second I thought this thing was a bell. I wonder how their intercom system works here. If I didn't say it already, this is Bret Hart Middle School. So yeah, Bret Hart Middle School for the win. This one, yeah, Bret Hart says up there, middle school. Yep. Nice lettering. And this is the building that has mainly mechanical bells, if I can get a look at it. They're somewhere in here. Yeah, but just proof of concept, they do have mechanical bells inside. There'll be another video showing them off. Right now, it's 46. Let's go check out that other bell. I'll meet you there. Up here. This is a rare type of bell. It's not really rare because they have a lot of these things in another school. But this is a square bell cage bell. You can see the bell in there. If the bell does ring, I'll be taking care of that. There are also some bells within this area. You can kind of see it. Yeah, it's like a little bell in there. Inside the thing. And it's fully operational. So if the bells do go off, we'll kind of hear that one. Also, there's another bell over here. I'm not sure it works. Let's see. I took a picture of this thing a long while ago. But this video is just mainly about showing off what the bells are. It's not going to be this. Going to be the videos where they're going to be sounding them. So if the bells don't ring at 6:50 or 7 o'clock, which is highly unlikely, we'll just have the information about the bells, and I'll be uploading this video quite soon. And just take out the alarms here. The alarms in this gym area. This is the gym area, by the way. We have a Gentex device in a Wheelock MT. And another one. So the MTs and the Gentexes go off along with the other Gentexes. In that little area over there, you see what those black doors are. Along that area, there's also an opening that has another 2 mechanical bells. Yes, 2 mechanical bells. The outside mechanical bell, because there's an opening in that area. And it's 6:49. So we're going to begin this one. I'm not very sure about the rest of these. But this will be the first one we're going to. This is bell number. I don't know. Bell number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bell number 4. So we're going to see if this thing goes off at 6:50, which it is currently right now. So I'll try and cut out to 6:51. So we're going to wait a few more minutes, like 6:55. Maybe they'll go off then. And if not, we're just going to give up on the idea. So, cut! Alright. So, we'll be recording the bells ringing on a certain other day. Yeah. Possibly on Monday, because we also don't have any school on Monday. So I'll be coming here on coming back here on Sunday. And then on Monday, which is the day after, we'll head here early, and then the bells will be ringing. But this is Bret Middle School. Pretty nice place. All around, pretty nice area. Has a pretty amazing system. Other news, maybe there'll be another fire alarm. Wait, no. Fire drill at Skyline. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date on that. Because everyone really wanted to see another one of my fire drill videos. And I'll be starting in the parking lot area this time so we can get the True Alerts going. Anyway, thank you for watching. Also, they're also mechanical bells. Oh, I already told you that. Never mind. It's a pretty neat system. 1-4. Anyway, I will see you next time. Hold up, it's 6:54. Yes, I left a bit early. So maybe it'll go off since I walked through the door. Nope. Is it going? 6:55. Nope. Looks like it isn't. Well, thank you for watching. And bye.